เรื่องฮะสบายดีไหมสบายทีนี้ก็สบายไม่ต้องทำอะไรนะไม่ต้องทำอาหารมีแต่ภาวนาอย่านอนมากนะนอนรอคนตาย So today only questions, yeah. I mean, about practice, Nam, Thai, English, yes. So me.
We eat as there are no thoughts and no memories, and things like that. So what to see actually? I mean, I do not understand what to see inside. There is only blank. I see dark, and it was losing. What to see?
There's nothing to see. But what happens? I mean, there are two states of blank. I mean, blanking out means not interested in anything. Yeah, that's not the correct one. Yeah, I mean, blanking out means going into Appana Samadhi, and before that, the breath has to die, or the Buddha has to be very strong. Yeah. So this kind of blanking out is probably not the right kind of blanking out. Yeah. So if there is nothing, I mean, observe the Buddha or observe the breath. Yeah. You still have sensations, don't you?
The hand was heavy.
Yeah.
After that, it went out like nobody.
No body. And then what was there?
And inside, then I tried to see something, so it was.
Don't try to see something. Just observe the breath. Yeah, until the breath stops. Yeah. There's nothing to see. I mean, what is there to see? Yeah? I mean, but there is something to know. Yeah. But there is not object to know. Yeah. It is a very strange. It's a very strange experience. Yeah. But it's also a very good experience. And notice whenever you come out, no matter if it is just samadhi, upachara samadhi, or if it is deep samadhi, I mean, you feel really concentrated when you come out and really recharge. You're not tired. Yeah. When you come out and feel tired, it wasn't. Yeah. So, somebody else? Windy.
Ajahn, the Malaysians have questions for me to ask you.
Yes?
And now I'll translate it back to them.
Yeah.
Their questions. So the first one is,
Do you talk in Malaysian or?
they speak Mandarin.
That's what I thought, yeah.
So they ask, why do they want to use Buddha as the anchor?
What?
Why do they want to use Buddha as the anchor?
Why do we want to use Buddha as the anchor? You can use the breath as the anchor. And put with breathing in and do with breathing out. Yeah? I mean, you can also use Dhammo or Sangho, yeah? It doesn't really matter, if you have faith in the Lord Buddha, use Buddha, yeah? Buddha has the advantage, if you think a lot, yeah? It is easier to catch the mind of the Buddha than to catch the mind of the breath, yeah? We still can think, and think we are with the breath, while our mind goes, far away, yeah? And with Buddha it is more difficult, yeah? That's why we normally use Buddha when we think a lot. Yeah? But it depends on when you started with practicing meditation with the breath. Just continue with the breath. Yeah. But I normally, when I talk about Samadhi, I say, either use the breath or the Buddha, yeah, or the combination, yeah. So, next question.
Under what condition during meditation will we become possessed?
Become what?
Possessed.
Possessed?
Yeah. Like
By what?
By bad energy, things like that.
We can't. It's actually in a protection against being possessed. Because the chitta is so strong, nobody can take hold of the chitta. Yeah? When the chitta is weak, then of course we can get possessed. Yeah? But you shouldn't worry about being possessed. Huh? What?
I wouldn't do any meditation if it leads to me being possessed.
You wouldn't do?
Yeah, meditation. Well, it would be dangerous, right?
You would do a lot of meditation in order not to get possessed.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah? It's a protection. Yeah? I mean, another spirit can only possess the body, yeah, if we let it to. But if we are with the Buddha, I mean, not even, yeah, not even the ghosts, can come, yeah, and possess us. Okay, understood? Why is it? Yeah, Malaysians, yeah, Malaysians, Indonesians, Thais, yeah, they're always afraid of ghosts, huh? นะต่างชาติไหนใครหลวงพ่อไม่เคยกลัวผีไหนใครท่านเด่นนี่กลัวผีเหรอ Are you afraid of God? No ปกติต่างชาติก็ไม่เคยกลัวกินกระเทียมเยอะ ก็เอาพุทโธพุทโธพุทโธพุทโธพุทโธพุทโธพุทโธพุทโธพุทโธนะอันนั้นก็ไม่เป็นไรเอาพุทโธพุทโธพุทโธพุทโธนะเมื่อเห็นความคิดขึ้นมาแล้วพุทโธนะพุทโธพุทโธพุทโธพุทโธเริ่มแรกมันยากนะที่ฝึกนะต้องพยายามนะเมื่อเห็นจิตออกก็ไม่ตำหนิตัวเองนะมันจิตอยากออกนะเพราะว่าของเราไม่เคยบังคับจิตนะให้อยู่กับพุทโธหรืออยู่กับลมหายใจนั่นแหละที่เรากำลังบังคับอยู่นะต้องฝึกนะโอเคกลับมากลับมากลับมากลับมากลับมามันก็ไม่เป็นไรเวลาจำได้ไหมเมื่อฝึกเดินนะขึ้นลมขึ้นลมขึ้นลมนะแต่เด็กไม่เคยถามแม่ผมเดินไม่ได้มันพยายามแล้วสุดท้ายก็เดินได้เหมือนกันกับภาวนานะภาวนาพุทโธลมหายใจเข้าลมหายใจออกนะเดี๋ยวจะทำได้ So other questions She still has a lot. Yeah, okay, that's fine.
The husband meditated for about half an hour, 3 times during the day, and he's very awake at night. He's asking why is that?
3 hours only.
No, 3 times for half an hour each time, and he's.
He should meditate for 12 hours. What do you do the rest of the time? You're here at least, I mean, if you're here only for 10 days, 10 hours a day, yeah? And if you're still awake in the night, then just go and meditate. Yeah? You soon will get tired, yeah? I mean, if you meditate only for three times half an hour, I mean, yeah, you don't get tired. But if you meditate for 8 hours, oh, I'm so tired, I'm so tired. Understand? 10 hours, yeah? I mean, at home, you can do three times half an hour. Huh? You don't need to come to this place, to do three. Yeah? Okay. And if you're awake, go and meditate. Yeah, don't come. Yeah, do walking meditation, sitting meditation, walking meditation, sitting meditation. Yeah, and half an hour is not enough. 1 hour. Yeah. Then you see the kilesas coming up, yeah? Pain, yeah? We don't like to sit more than half an hour because it's painful. Okay, next question.
During meditation, the buzzing sounds from the insects or mosquitoes go straight to the heart. Why is that?
They don't go straight to the heart, they go, yeah? they go here. Huh? The more we would be interested, yeah? I mean, we are interested in everything, yeah? Except our Buddha or the breath, yeah? And that's why this becomes so intensified, yeah? Whatever we concentrate on, that's what we see clearly. Whenever we concentrate on the mosquitoes, that's what we hear very clearly, yeah? And then a lot of anger comes up towards these mosquitoes. Yeah? But just turn your attention towards the Buddha and then it goes away. Oh. Next question.
Last one. If I fall asleep during meditation, what should I do?
Bring up some thoughts of anger, yeah, and then you're not sleepy anymore. Yeah? And once the energy comes back, then go back to the Buddha. Just remember, the same for now. Just remember a situation where you got really angry, and once the energy comes back with the anger, a lot of energy comes, use this energy to practice Buddha. Yeah? Huh? มันลับซ้อนนะความพลังลับซ้อนเพราะว่าโอ้ยเนยคิเลก็บอกว่าเนยไม่อยากอยู่กับพุทโธนะแต่เมื่อก็รู้ตัวเองนะบางทีก็ไม่มีอะไรที่น่าสนใจที่ทำในบาทก็เหนื่อยนะแต่เมื่อดูหนังก็ทำนี่ทำโน่นที่สนใจนะมีพลังเยอะนะเนี่ยส่วนมากก็กิเลสก็ลบสอนนะพลังนะเมื่อเอาใช้ความช้ำนะให้ความโกรธขึ้นมานะแล้วความโกรธขึ้นมานะความพลังก็ขึ้นมาด้วยนะเอาพลังแล้วใส่ในพุทโธโดยลมหายใจเข้าลมหายใจออกอย่าอยู่กับความคิดหรือความช้ำนะเอาแต่ช่วงที่ตื่นตัวนะyeah.
What is the difference between Apana Samadhi and jhana?
The first jhana, there's a big difference.
Or is Apana Samadhi
You have to ask, what is the difference between the fourth jhana and Apana Samadhi? Okay. There's not much difference.
So
the Apana Samadhi, there's no object anymore. Yeah, there's just knowingness. Yeah, and that has no object. But in the fourth jhana, you still have the object of the very fine, what is it, peacefulness or whatever it is, or stillness. Yeah?
So Apana Samadhi will be more...
it is deeper.
Deeper,
yeah. But, don't be interested in the jhanas, yeah? I mean, either you can do them or not. Yeah? Yeah, Swapna? Yeah? If they don't come by itself, I mean, forget about it and just use, Upachara and Appana Samadhi. Yeah?
Appana Samadhi is a very good level for Vipassana.
Yes, extremely good.
It's natural knowledge.
Yeah, I mean, but no, when you come out, I mean, then you really have to determine, yeah, okay, now I go into Vipassana. Upachara Samadhi, I mean, if you can stay in Upachara Samadhi for 45 minutes, it's also very good. Yeah? Because you're very calm, very concentrated, yeah, and then you can do investigation. Yeah? If you're in there only for 15 minutes, I mean, the Vipassana will last maybe 10 minutes and then you get drawn away.
And before the Appana Samadhi, we get the nimittas, or is not necessary?
No.
Nimittas, yeah.
I mean, some people get nimittas, I mean, not before the Appana Samadhi. Some people get, in the Upachara Samadhi, they get nimittas, yeah? But don't worry about it. Don't pay any attention to anything, because that will disturb you. Yeah? Whatever comes, just let it pass, just like the clouds, yeah? Just let them pass, yeah?
Many times when I'm meditating, close eyes, of course, in a dark room, in the night, outside, suddenly I see like, okay, so an example, I'm inside this room in the dark and someone put a torch.
Yeah.
Yeah? Not to my face, but like some light there.
Yeah.
Even with this, you will realize there is some light in the room. Yeah?
Yeah, but when you open your eyes, there is no light.
No light. Many times happen like that.
Yes? That just is it's just a sign of concentration. Wait until the light becomes so really big, yeah? And then slowly pull it into the heart.
It's not go beyond that.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean it will. Once your concentration starts growing, it will become bigger. But don't when you do the mistake of concentrating on the light, then it is gone.
Oh, okay.
No, I mean the light comes because of your concentration on the Buddha or on the breath. So keep with the breath, keep with the Buddha, don't be interested in the light until the light becomes so distracting that then you pull it slowly into the heart.
It's not a light that I see, but it's like...
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Don't worry about it, yeah? Until it really becomes, very bright, yeah? And then pull it into the heart. Yeah? But the moment you put your concentration on the light, your concentration is gone and the light disappears. People, the kilesas always like to distract us with something. That is something important. It's important. It's important. Yeah, now you see this light, but there's no light. Yeah. No, it's not important. It's just one of the tricks.
It's like when you get samadhi, and you want it back. Yeah, it's like trying to get a cloud. Something.
Yes, and you can't get it back. Yeah? I mean, everybody has to go through the stages. The first time he really got Upachara Samadhi and it was so beautiful. Then he's just looking for this feeling of Upachara Samadhi and he's not doing the work anymore. Yeah? Through the work, I mean, that's why I always compare it with digging a hole. Samadhi is like digging a hole. Yeah? If you dig, you get a hole. If you don't dig, if you look for a hole, there's no hole because you don't dig. Yeah? So dig and dig and dig. Each Buddha is a digging, yeah? And then you get a hole, yeah? And the more you dig, the deeper it gets, yeah? And it gets so deep, that the whole world disappears, yeah? Okay? More?
One question.
Yeah.
Sorry. When you say all the world disappears, is that direct experience of emptiness?
Wait until the experience comes.
Anatta? Okay.
Well, wait until, because when I say these things, you will look for these things and then you're not with the Buddha or not with breath. Just like he asked, blankness, he's looking for something, yeah, instead of being with his Buddha or with his breath, yeah. And if you just look for the breath, then certain things can happen. Yeah? And some of them are interesting, and some of them, most of them have no relevance. Yeah? But you will know for yourself it has relevance or not. Yeah? The moment you have to ask, is it relevant? Then you know it's not relevant. Okay? No more? Wendy? Questions? No? 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 Your questions?
I'm still learning how to walk.
You're still learning how to what?
How to walk.
How to walk.
Falling down and getting up. So.
Yeah, okay. Be interested. Put more interest in the Buddha, or put more interest in the breath. Yeah? Just completely focus. Yeah? Just like you do a drawing. I don't know what kind of work you were doing. You're drawing diagrams. You have to be concentrated. Yeah? Use the techniques. Where you got concentrated in your work. Use it and put the same technique into the Buddha. Yeah? When you were working, you were physicist or what? Or electronic? Engineer, yeah. When you designed something, you didn't know what was going on around you. Huh? So put that, put that design into the Buddha or in the breath, yeah. That interest, yeah. And that holds for every one of us, yeah. But it's so boring, yeah. Who says that? Yeah, it's the Kilesas who say it. So boring. But that actually means, the moment the Kilesas come and interfere, that means our practice is already starting to go, yeah? Otherwise they wouldn't interfere. Okay, maybe come time? No? One more?
While meditating, sometimes some body automatically kind of waving like that.
Forget about it.
Not to pay attention.
Yeah. Okay, so. Yeah. It's enough. They slowly get fewer people. More relaxed. Did you, Dennis and Martin, did you copy the talks from the stick?
There is no.
What?
There is no stick.
Audio in Indonesia. There's a folder, Audio Indonesia. There are all the files on the stick, on a real stick.